Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Learn in a Nutshell. Hope all are doing good. So today I have come up with another video. So today I'll be talking about payment providers. Basically I'll be talking about Adyen, which is payment provider. So when I say payment provider, it's the one who processes the payment and confirms your order actually in the e-commerce website or any business if you're doing. So let's get started and see in today's video how to set up Adyen and how to do your first payment. Of course, it will be a test payment using Adyen SDK. So let's get started with that. So first thing, you'll have to create a test account. For that, what you'll have to do is you'll have to search for Adyen test account. Click on get started with Adyen. Then there is a link which takes us to free test account. So we can select this, provide the location as India, provide learn in a nutshell. Let's provide learn in a nutshell at gmail.com. Hope Gmail works. Okay, it says please enter a valid email address. So probably it's a HTML validation. We'll try removing this pattern and see if it works. As of now, the error has gone. Let's proceed and see if it works. Let's say learn in a nutshell. Yes. Let's give the same URL. Let me give some random number. And let's provide our annual revenue and confirm that we are not robot. Hope it works. Let's submit and check if it works. Oh, it says form submission failed. Okay, let's try with some other email address maybe. So first we'll have to provide our location, that is India. Let's provide test. Let's provide email learn in a nutshell at gmail.com. So there is an error. Looks like a HTML error. So let's give Leon. Okay. Now let's give http gmail.com. Let's give company name as Gmail so that the registration is successful. If you are working in a company, you can give your company details, not an issue. So this is how once the registration is successful, a page should look like. Now we'll go to our email and the other things we'll have to complete it from there. So I've got one email. This is how the mail looks like. So you should see all the account details here, and this is where you'll have to set your password. Click on this and provide the account as Gmail account 861. Username you can provide as admin. So it looks like there is a lot of Gmail accounts that was created, so that's the reason 861. So hope you understood. If there is a validation error, you can just remove the validation from the inspect. It's a HTML validation. So let's provide the password. Save it. Let's continue to log in. So it has logged in. Now we have logged into our account. So now let's go to developers API credentials. So you'll have to go to, you can either create a new credentials, or you can select the existing one. And if there is no API key is generated, then click on generate API key, and you can copy this and keep it in your notepad or something, so that you don't lose it. So I'll save it here for now. Next thing, we don't have to do anything, so that's the only thing required. So now what we'll do is we'll open our VS Code, open a new window, open a folder. Let's create a new folder for Adyen. Click on select. So let's create index itself, index.js. So once this is done, we'll copy the SDK code for payment to do our first payment. So let's try that. So this is the Node.js code which we need. So let's copy this and put it here. We'll create a function called Adyen Payment and put it here. So once this is done, we'll have to install this Adyen library. So we'll open this, search, we'll type npm I and paste this. So it says it's installed, so it gets installed globally. Now if I click here, it says it has been installed in node modules in my folder, users learn module folder. So we'll try to install it here. So to install npm no modules here, we'll have to type npm init. We have to provide the package details, to show it here. Package.json file will be created here. So we'll just give Adyen as the name here. Let's keep the version same. Let's give description as Adyen SDK. Yeah, let's keep index.js as the entry point. We'll leave it as of now and click type yes, and you should see package.json coming up here. Now what we'll do, we'll install npm module, the Adyen API library module. Once you do that, you should see the npm modules coming up here. So what we'll do is we'll try to call this first Adyen payment. We'll call it here. Let's run this. So you see unhandled project rejection. So it's because there is no catch provided here. It's not able to show what is the error. So what we'll do, we'll type result and console.log of result. Hope this works. Let's see. So now it's showing the error. What is the error? It says unauthorized. So we'll have to provide the API key which we copied earlier. So copy this, replace it here. Ideally, this should come from env file, but let's now do it like this. And then let's come here and copy. Ideally, this should be the merchant name or the account name. So we'll copy this and suffix this with ecom. It should be ecom should be in caps. See if the error changes anything. So it says not allowed. So basically this particular what you call the card details are not allowed. It should be in test format. So let's search for test cards. So test cards. Can search for encrypted card. You can just search for encrypted and you should see this kind of test cards available. So we can copy this as it is and put it here. Let's not replace the name, let the name be as it is and format it properly and with a semicolon, sorry, with a comma. So this is how we should pass. And here for reference, order number from e-commerce should be coming ideally. So we'll just give some number just to make it real. So once this is done, this will be test format. I mean, the environment will be test. So now let's see if this works. Ideally, this should create a payment. Before that, let me print or let me console console.log. So this should show the result. Let's see if this works. So a payment has been created with a message result code has authorized. So this is working successfully. There will be a PSP reference which will be generated for each and every actions. For every call, endpoint calls, a PSP reference will be generated. So based on this, they will bring out all the details about that particular request. So this is about creating the payment, test payment. So that's all in this video, guys. Hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please do hit the like button, share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe. If you have any feedback, provide it in the comment section. Let's again catch the next video. Until then, see you, bye.